Kerteng jogi candidate ki bayo he mark ha ki subject ki paper bat kolong ke ke bastanat ban yui ba kidon ki bayo ki bun ngut ba amdai tang khendiat ru ki bayo 100 of 100 mut ba full marks ya ka subject mathematics ki yo full marks 100 of 100 kidon kumba khat san ngut e ya ka science ki yo full marks 100 of 100 kidon kumba khat nyong ngut e bat ya ka physical and health and physical education ki bayo full mark 100 of 100 kidon kumba life hui ngut e bat ya ka khasi ru ki bayo he mark ki yo khandai fra marks tang iwe don bat kolong ko bas ngo comment ban yu i kini kerteng te sapuli ma phi kini kerteng te ngan shpen i hangne kini ki bayo highest mark in each subject mun ma ada ki ka ju mun ba ki la share ki kerteng kin mi lum yang ni English 91 marks, there's mathematics. Samuel Gurung, maybe one Kralung Koi, Anderson High School Longstone. Okay, Dibya Sundar Banerjee, Sherwood School. Mathematics, special mathematics, okay. Science and technology. 100 out of 100 pilau ni yang ni bagi bun bagi yo 100 out of 100 of science technology bidon kumba khat nyong wot ya ka science and technology social science khandai agriculture 91 beauty and wellness prof r computer science khandai pra way lai sao ngut nyok khandai prasau san rungut nyok khandai pra ya computer science ke share electronics 96 inaji bilabani hangne ka health and physical education kundon kumba live hui ngut ki baya share ki bayo 100 out of 100 mat kolong ko ga ba dokumen ban yu ba kila ele bahasa hundreds of 100 John Bosco St. Paul private institution a Little Star Baridua Jaintia Secondary School North Liberty Holy Trinity Sutanga MB Rosewood Secondary Kultura lagi lain bahasa sya kidon baca kalis top 20 but top 10 rugi don ben jongga 10 baka 12 private institution kibana ki private institution ru kilale bahasa ki bun ma ki bami list but kelong ge ba dokumen ban yi bakila 3 stom sha thank you nei kubleshwan